Hi everyone, this is my first video in YouTube and I am planning to make a review about this glutathione product. Actually, matagal ko na itong nakikita sa Watson's malapit sa cashier area. Pero I've been ignoring this one kasi nga may kamahalan siya. And then this morning, nakita ko siya na naka 50% sale. Kaya naisipan ko na why not try it. So the regular price of this glutathione product, Snow Caps, is 1,794. Tapos since naka 50% off siya, nabili ko lang siya for 897. This one sa Watson's. So na-curious ako if this is marami kasi ako na nakitang review dito na maganda. So since naka 50% less naman siya, so I think it's worth the try. Kung alam ko lang sana na mag-sale ito, sana din na lang ako nag-order nung glutathione online sa Shopee. Pero anyway, I can just make a separate review of that glutathione the following month. Now, I cannot promise you kung kailan ako magbibigay ng update dito. I haven't tried this yet because gabi na kasi. I have read that glutathione is best taken early in the morning kasi yun daw ang time na yung glutathione levels natin sa katawan natin is pinakamababa. Okay, ganito yung itsura niya, by the way. Hindi ko pa na-take to. 30 capsules, and then yung recommended dose niya is 1 capsule per day. So susundin ko to. Now, I will not exceed the recommended dose. So this is already good for 1 month, 30 capsules. So eto, hindi ko pa siya na take. Ganito yung itsura niya. So I will update you kung kailan ako makikita ng results. Be it halimbawa 2 weeks may nakikita akong visible results, then I will update you. Pinakamatagal na yung 1 month, no, after 30 days. So tingnan natin kung mag-work sa akin. Okay, thank you. Pasensya na kung ang video ko is medyo cringy. This is my first time kasi to make a video in YouTube kung saan nakikita yung mukha ko. Okay, see you soon.